he knows. Nice
several
one.
days. There's a
Kaloy.
lot of fear. If he hits
Still,
that,
warming around. We have here Carlos Yulo of the Philippines, 14.750. Relax na naman si Carlos Yulo eh. He is, had been in that tough pressure during Olympics, so he knows already na this kind of arena. Hindi naman masyado maraming tao. Let's go, Carlos. Yeah, hey! This is a 5-0! I'm amazed of it. Grabe! Wow! Perfect! Dragulesco in pike position. Wow! Grabe! This guy might be a goal for Carlos Yulo if he will do well. He did well in his pike position with Dragulesco pike. Then then he will be in the Dragulesco. Wow! Amazing straight lines. Amazing technique. The chest. Oh, good. Chest landing. Di naman ganun kababa. Tama lang. Wow! Indeed. Renaissance as inano ng describe ng British ayun no. Yeah, medyo mababa na kaunti yung chest. Pero siguro, syempre, mahahatak yun si Rico. Yeah, I'm so proud of you, Carlos. Siguro, it might be 15.4 pa nga kung mataas na kaunti yung chest niya. 5.2 with the Dragulesco or Lopez. Yay! Gold up for Carlos Yulo! This is gonna be gold, my friend. Gold for world champion. It's gonna be gold for Carlos Yulo. Gold na to, promise. Gold na to. Gold na to. I can say that it's gonna be a future gold. Galing-galing indeed. I'm gold na to. Promise. Medyo may kaunting separation of legs lang sa air. I don't know how this will gonna be. But wow. So this is a very great one. Kanyang the push is amazing, very precise. He goated here the vault. Wow, very great one. Meron lang kaunting, separation of legs na kaunti lang, pero that's very minimal before the landing. Wow, ang taas ng chest sa landing. Those are the things that we natin. So, great lines, perfect lines, hindi nag-debate, nag-landing sa gitna. Amazing, hindi na tumba.